Right, it's a bit of a video with a difference. The Leviton cab is taking shape. It's in primer, doors on. There's a couple of minor jobs to do to it. As you can see, she's a lot better than when I first had it. Starter motor been cleaned and tested, working fine. Dynamo is working fine. The cab heater needs stripping down, and checking through is not working at all. This is the sump with the that was pushed out by the frost. It's back home. We're trying to obtain another sump, but I think this could easily be welded. Not a problem there, but as you can see, the cab's taking shape. Bit of a difference to this video today. I've got some I've had some phone calls, inquiries by email about parts, and I do have some parts surplus to requirements, so I'll show you some. Fuel injection pump. I think it's been overhauled. It's for the Bd6. It's been overhauled. It's been installed for some years. I've got 7 drop scarifiers. This is the worst of all of them. I've got 2 fully restored. I got 7 altogether. I want to keep 3 for myself to do a scarifier that we're going to be working on later. Also, I got this plate taken off a 1964 draught. It's just been cleaned up and painted, so I got that for sale. I've also got, this is a Bd6 Radiator. This is the worst one out of the 2. It's been patched at some time in the base on the lower tank. I've got 2 drop nose hard noses. One is in good condition, one needs refurbishing. This is the best Bd6 Radiator. This could do with cleaning and testing. It came off the machine. It didn't leak when I took it off the machine. The machine is it's a breaker. So I took this off a machine and it didn't leak, but that was a couple of years ago. I've also got just make it out there, it's a pulley for the PTO gearbox and pulley assembly for the Bd6 TD6. It's surplus to requirements. You can just make it out there. The gearbox is in good condition, but the actual pulley wheel needs rebuilding. It's absolutely knackered. So that's it basically. This is up my need a bit of a tidy up here, to be honest. This building up with stuff. This is the stripped down cab of a 951A. It's the frame. So eventually this might be up for sale or go onto a machine in the future. I don't know yet. So progress on the machine itself is we've been trying to free up the pistons, but they are pretty solid in the bores. So I'm taking up an oil eater to do the job. And be doing that next week. I've got a pretty busy week next week. But I hope to get at least one day up there to do that. But as I say, I've got a number of items for sale. Genuine drop. You still get tips, I believe. Two of the scarifiers I got. The tines it's got good tips on, but I intend keeping them. As I say, I got 4 available, plus the pump. I've also got International 165 fuel injection pump and Fortune Major fuel injection pump. and another dropped fuel injection pump, plus a couple of fuel tanks that are surplus. Well, that's it for now. I can't do much today. I've just been having a bit of a tidy up. This is my store. As you can see, the scarifier tines, you just won't make them out. The scarifier tines are in there. There's a load of them. And also, just saw I got track adjusting spanners and hydraulic pumps. There's the items there for the I think that one there is a drop one, and that's a Fortune major one there. So I also got brake bands, but that's it for today. I got a few other jobs to do today. I hope to get some of these shot blasted within the next couple of weeks, but I got to get up and get that engine freed up at the farm. But as you can see, she's a vast difference now. That's all I'm waiting for now is a seal. Originally it was like a Hessian bonding between the lower part of the fiberglass and the metal frame, but I intend to use 1/4 inch thick rubber, which will be a far better seal and do a far better job than the original. As I said, I've got all the windows available for it, bar the back one. It was perspex on that one, so I'm going to put it back to what it was. But yeah, as you can see, she's a vast difference to when we first had delivery of them. So I think that's it for now. So if anybody's interested in drop parts or the radiators, as I say, one has been repaired and one is okay but needs refurbishing but does not leak. So that's it for now. So see you next time.